When I was just getting started as a concept artist, I had a lot of trouble learning digital painting. And my goal is to make it easier for you. The website is a collection of tutorials that work together as a curriculum, that start at the fundamentals and work their way up to more and more advanced skills. I've gone out of my way to make each of these free videos short, concise, and only covering one topic, allowing you to learn small skills at your own pace and on your own schedule. Now, years ago, this started as a really small project, but at this point, there are hundreds and hundreds of videos ready for you to watch. So if you've ever wanted to learn digital painting, but maybe you've been hesitant because it was a little intimidating, now's your chance. If you're ready to work hard, I am more than happy to provide a path to follow. So let's get started.